Yeah. Uh,
Feels good on a 100-degree day, doesn't it, buddy? Hell yeah. We'll get Mom out here running around a minute. We'll get her with those.
yeah, I think not. Hey!